Howdy, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Cody Crafted in Alvarado, Texas. He's having an open house today, and I'm here. Let's check it out.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star Rider.
You're good. Well, the food's all already gone, but you got quite a few people here going on in his open house. If you don't know who Cody Crafted is he builds cool shit, which he does. This is one of the things he's working on, is Ford Bronco. Been working on this little dune buggy thing here, which is pretty cool. Got windy. Got a couple of things he's been working on. Truck and Bronco. He's got some other vehicles out back. He's got a pretty cool shop. If you have anything you want to be worked on, check out his website.
All right. Well, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, this ain't easy, darling.
My name is Cody, CodyCrafted.com. You can find us in Alvarado, Texas, just south of Fort Worth. We are in the cool shit business. Overland, hot rods, custom fab. Give us a call. We do it all.
I'll have the link down below to where you can find Cody if you want something worked on. Very cool. Catch you on the road here at Cody Crafted in Alvarado, Texas.